In this video, I'll show you a new crypto project just launching their crypto nodes today. The project got a great team, absolutely huge partnerships and big backing. I'll show you what the project and the node is and how to start mining. But before I say anything else, I must remind you that nothing I say in my videos are financial advice. Now, I get reached out by new projects every single day, and so far I've turned down every single project that have been about AI, because I have not thought that anything out there have been solid enough to be covered on my channel. Of course, I am not an expert within that field, but I can often get a feeling about the Web3 point of view. However, in this case, after seeing this project's team, backing and partnerships and what I know those partnering projects have achieved in the past, I wanted to get in on this. This project have a lot of features, but I think the best way to explain it is that they have taken AI agents, which I'll tell you more about, but it's basically AI that can plan, execute multi-aspect tasks, and made them live on the layer 2 Ethereum chain where almost everything become autonomous and run utilizing their agent token. And that token is also what we will be earning as node mining rewards. But here's the thing, there will only be about 100 or 200 nodes that are available for sale every single day. And after 3000 nodes have been sold, the price will start to increase and the total amount of rewards gets distributed every single day. So it very much seems here that the people that are able to get a node early will get the biggest rewards. I will talk more about these nodes in this video, but if you want to check out the nodes already, you can find them using this link that will pop up right here. I will also leave that down in the description. And if you also would like to support me for being the first one who gets you to these early projects, consider using this referral code right here if you decide to get the node. Alright, this is AgentLayer. It's a layer 2 solution on Ethereum built using OP-Stack, and they are a decentralized autonomous AI agent protocol. And now you're probably wondering, what the an AI agent? Well, you know how ChatGPT can answer all your questions. Well, an AI agent is an AI that is able to plan, use tools such as ChatGPT, store memory, and then execute a task. So a good example of how I can use an AI agent is me simply asking, hey you AI agent, can you find me an opening in my schedule and book a time slot that suits both me and Susan? And then the AI agent will look to solve all of those tasks. This is a whole lot more than just ChatGPT. And then AgentLayer can have many different sorts of these AI agents within different sectors or fields. It can be within crypto transactions, communication, people, pretty much anything eventually. And that is pretty much what AgentLayer's technology is about, and interacting, putting together a bunch of different AI agents. And the agent token is the token that will be used for everything within the chain, within the network, for building, for using, and for deploying all of the AI agents. So it seems very much that AgentLayer are trying to make all of their use cases go through this token. I've gone through AgentLayer's entire white paper and it looks good. I will link it below where you can take a look at it yourself. But as I mentioned before, the main thing I understand about this project is the Web3 aspect. And when I see a team with this background, when I see the collaborations and partnerships with big projects and even having tight relations between the projects, that usually signals to me that there could be an opportunity. And if I take advantage of that opportunity immediately when they launch to be the first one there, well, that is usually where the magic happens for me in terms of profit. Now, what about these nodes? These nodes are called the APGN node. APGN stands for AgentLayer Premium Governance Node and is used for security and governance. However, these nodes are simply us holding ownership of the nodes. So we don't need any hardware or program running to get the rewards. We simply get the rewards by owning the node. The price of this node is initially 800 USDT, so $800, and can be bought on the Smart Chain network or Arbitrum chain using our MetaMask wallet or Web3 wallet. As I mentioned before, the first 3000 nodes will cost 800 USDT, and after that, each 100 nodes sold will increase in price by $5, and the total number of nodes out there will be 20,000. With the nodes, we are rewarded with agent tokens daily. We also get government rights, revenue sharing, and special features for the AgentLayer platform. The daily rewards in agent tokens to all node owners will be 200,000 per day during the first year. And since I think AgentLayer will only release a set amount of nodes per day, getting in early here will probably lead us to getting a bigger part of the daily rewards before there are many node owners out there. So I would say it's very likely here that early participators will earn the most, which is usually what we see in these types of incentives with crypto nodes. So how do we buy the APGN node? To buy the node, we can do so using our MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that have the Wallet Connect feature. We connect the wallet to this site right here, which I will have a link to right here that will pop up, and I will put it down in the description below know as well. Then we need to have at least 800 USDT either on the BNB Smart Chain or on the Arbitrum chain in our wallet. We can of course add and switch to these chains directly within the wallet itself, and for the BNB Smart Chain we need a little bit of BNB tokens in the wallet for transaction fees and Ethereum if we're gonna use the Arbitrum chain. To buy the node, you click here. And here we can put in a referral code. If you want, you can use this one, which is mine, and then we click here, we confirm the transaction in our wallet, and then we got the node. It will be very exciting to see if AgentLayer will be able to grow as much as we have seen some of their other partnering projects have done. If that is the case, we could see quite a lot of earnings coming from this, but you never know. Let me know what you think about this project in the comments, the node and its partnerships, and I'll see you in the next one.